kicking off this video in Finn's room. I'm waiting on him to run in here so I can catch him to put some pants on. And it's the day after Easter. I hope you guys had a wonderful Easter, which this video is probably going to be like, it's going to be a few videos out, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I know I have bits and pieces of things recorded and I just have to see what's going on because I haven't posted a video in over a week, which makes me cringe because I feel like I do so good and then I just don't want to mess up my rhythm because YouTube the algorithm can mess you up. Anyways, before I sit down and edit a whole bunch of videos, before I sit down and edit a whole bunch of videos, I really have to get the house cleaned up. Yesterday we had a great time with family and I should have taken a lot more pictures than what I did because I feel like because I'm like talking to the camera and I'm on like my phone recording and everything so much already, I feel like it's just more of a burden when I'm around my family. But I have to like get outside that because like that's family time and I do that stuff anyway, and I used to take a whole bunch of like pictures of family and stuff anyway. Yes, was this your thing you got for Easter? Is your little book? Nay! Nay! Are you showing them your book? Yay! Oh, you got a nice book. Book? Are you trying to make a horse sound? I've got a lot of stuff to clean up. My kitchen's a wreck, as per usual. But I also got a wet. All right, Finn. Hi. I came in here because Brian's. I came in here for quiet because Brian is playing his video game and he's hollering, talking super loud. It's Easter Monday. My house is a wreck. I need to edit videos and get it started, but I can't do that until I get my kitchen and house back in order somewhat. I also have procrastinated in the best way possible with filing my taxes, so I had to do that for like 5 hours today. So I'm finished. Not as bad as I was anticipating because I have to do a self-employment tax thing, so there's lots of headaches. But it's taken care of, thank God. It's over and done with. And now I have to get my house cleaned up. But I have something exciting. I have a wet, dry floor vac. I've been looking at them and I really wanted one. I got the Tineco, or is it Tineco? It's the same brand as my vacuum, which I like, but again, I don't really have anything to compare it to, so. But I did reviews on YouTube and I really like Vacuum Wars. I was watching the reviews on this vacuum and it was basically saying it compared it to the Bissell Crosswave cordless, because I wanted a cordless. And it was basically like comparable, and this one did even better in some areas. So I got this one because I mean it's like you vacuum and it mops floors. The vinyl flooring in there, it gets super dirty like all the time, and I feel like I need to mop it every single day, but it's not realistic all the time for me to mop every day. It's just like I can't do it every day. But I always, like, it's rare that I don't like vacuum or sweep it every day. So if you can do it at the same time, why not, right? I had said I wanted it for my birthday, but happy early birthday to me. Okay, I'm gonna put some pants on thin, and then I'll show you what we're working with.
Shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did...
So after I cleaned up the kitchen all the way, just about, I had to make dinner. Isn't that the way it goes? We ended up making a breakfast casserole. So I pan fried some sausage. I had these like little hash brown rounds, and you basically just line your casserole dish with your hash browns, or you could even use like tater tots, or we do it with biscuits sometimes. And then you do your sausage, egg, and cheese, and we tried this one with the gravy. I used the Pioneer peppered gravy, and you just pour it all on top and bake it at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on like how many eggs you use and how big your casserole dish is. But Brian really loves it with the biscuits, and I really love it with the hash browns or like the tater tots.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more. I'm sure it'll take a while, 'cause I'm still sore. Yeah, now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh,
just try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more, I'm sure. It'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore, yeah, now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know I still have a long way to walk, I'm sure. It'll take a while to reach the golden shore.
All right, it's the next morning. Last night was chaos. I did sweep my floors last night because they were crazy, even after Liam did. But we had dinner and I cleaned up, and the kitchen is still pretty clean. I'm going to vacuum now. This little thing, so it's all a digital screen. It shows you when to empty it, when the dirty water tank is full, clean water tank is empty, the brush roller is tangled, self-cleaning, which is a really cool feature, battery life, and when it's on max, that you can. I was going back and forth between this one and the newer one, which is the iFloor 1. I was eyeballing that one, and it was on sale on Amazon. And I kept going back and forth whether to get it or not, and I missed out, and the price jacked back up like $100. And then I was looking at the reviews, and the only difference between this one and that one was the battery life was like 10 minutes longer on the other one. And so for like the only difference, like the suction power, like all the other bells and whistles was exactly the same, and the only thing was they gave you 10 more minutes of battery life on the other one for $100 more. So this one was on sale on Amazon, and it was like $60 off, and then you had one of those extra like clip coupons that give you another $40 off. So I got a pretty good deal on this guy. But let's see how it works.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I
then click the self-cleaning button, and I can't get it to go off. So I guess I'm just gonna have to let it run through the cycle. But it's cleaning itself. I just cleaning out the filter and everything. Wait a minute.
You do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you. Just wanna hold you. Just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Hey, I don't know if I triggered the self-cleaning again or if it just has triggered by itself because my floors are so dirty. But, so I need to empty it again, but it's really not, if that's the max, I mean, it's not max full. This is the third time I've had to empty this though. And I just got to my dining room. And it only self-cleans when it's in the stand. So, I feel like sometimes it's not wet enough to get like scrub up stuff. Now I do say like it's hard to get up like really sticky stuff that's like been stuck on the floor, but other than that I think it picks up like stains and things good. It definitely, the vacuum portion of it is definitely really good, but sometimes I feel like it needs to be a little more wet in some places to like get it good and clean. So I'm just going to use some of this, and this is already diluted. You don't have to dilute this or anything. I think they make these in all kinds of different things, but I just like the Method ones because they don't use any harsh chemicals. So I'm just gonna use this. This is like chalk. I don't know if you can see right here, but this is chalk on my floor. So let's just see if it'll get it up by itself. Bye. So I think like when it first starts, it's like there's enough like water on the roller and everything. But when it's going for a little bit, I think it needs a little pick me up. So after using this vacuum for like almost a week now, every single day, the self-cleaning did not trigger as much as it did the very first time I used it. So I don't know if it was just kind of breaking it in and it was just like a new thing, but it still works very well and I'm still loving it. Okay, final thoughts. This is the final. So I thought I wasn't going to be able to finish because stop, Finn. The little self-cleaning light come on. So I think that means it just needs to be cleaned and I don't have to stop and clean it, but like when you're done, clean it. The battery light went all the way down to the last bar when I started in the kitchen. And I was a little panicked because I thought it was gonna shut off, but I was able to finish the kitchen and both of the bathrooms. Yeah. And so that's why the water is just absolutely disgusting. The kitchen is the most highly trafficked, area. And these are the floors that have been in the house the longest. So like the dining room and the kitchen. Those floors have been around longer than the living room. So I think naturally it just has, more buildup than normal. And the bathrooms are, that's that. So I know that even with all of my stopping and going, I'm able to get my floors done with one battery charge, like a full battery life. And it works good. It's also kind of like self-propelled, so I don't have to like, there's not as much push. So it kind of like propels itself along, which is nice. All right guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stick around and subscribe if you're new here, or if you've been watching and if you keep coming back, subscribe. Stick around for a while. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye y'all.
Like after they're done. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I definitely can. They just look a lot cleaner. They feel a lot cleaner. So yeah, nice and clean. And this is, I mean, this whole area up under the table, that's not dirty. If you didn't catch that video, that's where Finn spilled a whole gallon of paint on my floors. So it just has a white cast to it.